Hey everyone, my Pokepop here. Welcome back to another video. So just recently, Pokemon Go added the capability to transfer Pokemon to Pokemon Home, and from there you can transfer it to other games like Let's Go Pikachu, Eevee, and Pokemon Sword and Shield. So today we're going to go over how to transfer your Pokemon from Pokemon Go to Pokemon Sword and Shield or Let's Go Eevee and Pikachu. Okay, so before we get started, it's important to go over this information here. This is from the official Pokemon website, their support page. This basically tells you everything you need to know about transferring your Pokemon from Pokemon Go to Pokemon Home and subsequently to the other games. And there's all the basic stuff. You know, you have to have both the mobile version of Pokemon Home and the Nintendo Switch version to do this. You don't have to have the Nintendo Switch online to do this, so that's important to note, because you're just getting them into Pokemon Home. Oh, and you also don't need to be enrolled in any of the premium plans to transfer Pokemon from Pokemon Go to Pokemon Home as well. Also, you can't transfer special Pokemon, so all the hat Pokemon, the costume Pokemon, the alternate form Pokemon, like altered Giratina form, cast forms, various forms, Genesect forms. It has to be in its basic base form. Alright, next you gotta link your Nintendo account to your Pokemon Go account. If you've already done that, you are good. But just in case you haven't, obviously here's the steps, okay? And I'll be linking this into the description below if you do need to do any of this. But I'm going to go ahead and open up my Pokemon Go app here. Okay, I've got my Pokemon Go account open here as my main account. And we're going to go ahead and hit settings here, okay, on the top. So if you don't know, if I did that too fast, you press the Pokeball icon and you press settings on the top right-hand corner. You scroll all the way down. And it literally says Pokemon Home right there. If you don't see that, your game's not fully updated, so go ahead and update that in your App Store or whatever device it is you have. And you press Pokemon Home. And for me, it already says send Pokemon, but from right here, it should say link Nintendo account if you haven't done that already. If you have, you'll just see send Pokemon. So we're going to go ahead and try sending some Pokemon here. So as you can see, we have Go Transporter Energy. So once that runs out, you're going to have to wait an entire week. If you don't want to wait the entire time, you do have to use some coins to speed up that process if you want to transfer more Pokemon. But anyway, so let's transfer some Pokemon here. So I'm going to sort this by Pokedex number. I'm not going to have... I have way too many Bulbasaur for some reason. So let's just transfer some of those. Because why not? I'm going to see what happens. I'll transfer like maybe 3 of those. Maybe 15 CP gas. Oh no, let's do the 16 CP gas because I'm saving that for Mega Evolution. Maybe we'll transfer this Snorlax or Cyndaquil actually. Let's try transferring Cyndaquil. Let's see how much energy this takes as well, because I have no idea how much energy any of this is going to take. So I have several copies of these unknowns. I am going to transfer some of those in there. See, I have a Smeargle I can transfer over, and this will help complete your Pokédex as well. Let's see, the Steelix, because I'm not using it. Also, it actually tells you, as I'm clicking through all these Pokemon, you can see that the blue bar has gone down a little bit, and you can see the little bit of red up there in the right-hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and transfer this. I'm not going to transfer Lugia for now, because I haven't caught it yet, but I will... Well, maybe not Ho-Oh, but I don't know. I'm not really using Ho-Oh either. But I'll hold on to it. I'll transfer Shedinja, Azurill. I kind of want to see what happens when I transfer a shiny Pokemon as well, but that'll come up next. Well, let's do one of these Wash Rotoms. So you can just basically fill up your Pokedex, empty your inventory like this. You can transfer purified Pokemon in, so that's cool. You just can't transfer the shadow ones, obviously. Darkrai, I'm not going to transfer just yet. I will transfer this Darmanitan. So if you have the Zen mode of this Darmanitan, you won't be able to transfer that. It has to be in this form right here. We should probably do the Yamask. Okay, so everything just blacked out as soon as I did that. So it seems like I can only transfer that many at a time. So let's go ahead and try that. So we're going to transfer 25. So 25 seems to be the limit that you can transfer all at once. So let's go ahead and transport this and see what happens. Okay, so I got candy for it, and they're all in Pokemon Home. That was really quick. I was expecting that to be a lot more dramatic. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop over to our Pokemon Home app and see what happens. Alright, now it says 1 or more Pokemon have been transferred from Pokemon Go. Would you like to receive them? Yes. View transferred Pokemon. So all these. So that's pretty cool. See, I didn't know what to do with all those extra unknowns, so good thing I saved them. And now I'm going to have Cyndaquil and potentially Typhlosion on my Pokedex, as well as all these other Pokemon that are probably really hard to find. Okay, so we're gonna receive here. And that's it. Okay, Pokemon. Oh, there they are. Okay, and it says here, it is a modest nature. Oh, is it really? So they just randomly assign natures, because there's no natures in Pokemon Go. And then seem to have it first met in Pokemon Go. It's level 6, because it was really low CP, I guess. This one gave it a nature, a lowly nature. And you can like fully IV train these as well, so this is really cool. There's that Cyndaquil. We haven't been able to see Typhlosion yet. So they look at the unknowns. They just give them random natures. I don't know if there's a pattern to this or not. There must be. Okay, so now that I've transferred all of that into this game, let's go ahead and see what happens when we transfer some shiny Pokemon. Alright, so as you can see, I have a ridiculous amount of shiny Pokemon in here, and I have a even more ridiculous amount of Charmanders from the Community Day, as well as the other Community Day Pokemon. So I went ahead and unstarred a bunch of these shinies, so I can go ahead and transfer them to Pokemon Home, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so Pokemon Home, send Pokemon. Oh, okay, so now look what it's saying now. It says 0 days, 11 hours until charged. Okay, so 11 hours, not a whole week. My bad. Oh, I guess the whole week is for it to fully charge, assuming that the little bar is all the way down here. So that's interesting. We're gonna go ahead and charge it, just so you can see what happens when you actually do it. I have a couple of coins here saved up from having Pokemon in gyms. Okay, so I'm gonna search up shiny. Let's see which shinies it lets me transfer. Okay, so literally all my Charmanders. I kept a few for myself. Oh my goodness, so shiny Pokemon take up way more. Look at that. Look how much it drains. Meanwhile, the non-shiny Pokemon barely drained any at all. That's insane. You know, and also, as a side note, this is a good way to get rid of like your bad IV Pokemon in Pokemon Go, because in Pokemon Sword and Shield, you can perfect IV train them with the golden bottle caps. So this is really cool. So we're going to go ahead and transfer my worst IV shiny Charmander, which I think would be this 47 IV one. Yep, and then, so that took up a bunch of that bar already. We're going to transfer in one of my Porygons. We have to kind of carefully choose here. I kind of want to see this Lotad in there, and this Torchic, I think. Okay, I kind of want to see Torchic in this game. I did have an extra shiny Torchic, and it looks like we could pick one more. Oh, that's weird. We can't transport Espeon in. But we can transport one of these in. So different Pokemon looks like they take up different amounts of that little Go Transporter energy. So that's really interesting. I think I'm gonna pick Houndour here. Okay, so let's go ahead and transport these. So that's interesting. So that's 1, 2, that's 5. Only 5 shinies. So I'm guessing legendaries behave in the same way. Wow, okay. So if I try to send it again, oh, it looks like it's going to cost me 1,000 coins now. And now I have to wait a full 6 days, 22 hours. So that's the whole week that I thought we were going to have to wait anyway. All right, so here, just to give you an idea, it costs about 10 bucks, $9.99 to get 1,200 coins. In my opinion, is it worth it? Not really, especially if you're tight for money. Now, if you're just the type of person who happens to have a bunch of dollar bills just sitting on your desk all the time, sure, go for it. But I think I can wait a week. It's not. I'm not gonna die or like, you know, be really upset about not being able to transfer something into my Pokemon Shield game. If you wanted to recharge it that first time, it only costs 100 coins, which is like just keeping your Pokemon for a full day, for a full 2 days inside of a gym. So it's really not that bad. So I'd recharge it once at least. Okay, so now I've opened up Pokemon Home on my Switch here. Let's go ahead and see what the process looks like when we transfer our Pokemon from Pokemon Go into Pokemon Shield. So it says 1 or more Pokemon transferred from Pokemon Go have been found. So it's the same message that we got earlier. Okay, so it looks like I have to agree to these terms again, probably because Pokemon Go got added. So we're gonna go ahead and just scroll all the way down. Pro tip, if you scroll down with this analog stick, it's a lot faster. Okay, so we're gonna hit Pokemon here. Oh wait, hold on, what is this? This is lit up. What is this? Pokemon Go. Oh, it's new. Okay. Checking for Pokemon transferred from Pokemon Go. Okay, so this is the 5 that we transferred in just now. There's 5 shiny Pokemon. And don't worry, I had extras of all of these, so I'm not really upset about losing these in my Pokemon Go game. It's just going to help me free up a lot of space in my Pokemon Go Pokemon storage, because there's just so many. I had 149 shiny Pokemon just sitting in there, most of which I don't really use. It's just there for collection purposes. But anyway, let's click on Pokemon Shield here. So you can also do Let's Go Pikachu, but for the purposes of this video, we're just going to stick to Shield. Okay, so All the ones with a little G icon, which means the Pokemon Go icon, you can transfer in. All the unknowns can't be put in, it looks like. I went ahead and transferred in a bunch of Pokemon, you know, that I would have liked to see in Pokemon Shield, but it looks like we can't put them in. I mean, there's a list somewhere out there about the Pokemon that are compatible, but, you know, I just didn't feel like looking it up. Anyway, let's go ahead and put the Unovan Yamask in here. Oh yeah, by the way, if you do have a hat Pikachu in Pokemon Go, those can be transferred into Pokemon Sword and Shield. Alright, here are my shiny Pokemon. Let's go ahead and put Darmanitan, my shiny Porygon, shiny Charmander, Lotad. Oh, at least we can put Torchic in. Interesting. So the Hoenn starters can be put into this game. Oh, but Houndour can't come into this game. No way. That... Ah, oh, dang, man. That's tragic. That's absolutely tragic. Oh, but we could put Rotom Wash in here. That's cool. Alright, so we're going to press quit. We're going to save changes and exit. And then we're going to check out our Pokemon that we just transferred over from Pokemon Go, well, technically Pokemon Home, into Pokemon Shield. Alright, we're back in Pokemon Shield. Let's go ahead and open up our Pokemon storage. Alright, so here they are. Okay, I think these are the shinies. Yep. Chick summary. There's my shiny Porygon. Okay, it looks like it got a... What nature is this? Rash, okay. And it was Tackle, Sharpen, Psybeam. I should have checked its moves before I transferred it over from Pokemon Go. I had no idea what the moves were. See, it seems to have traveled all the way across the space and time itself to join me from Pokemon Go. It loves to eat. So Pokemon Go is just a region now. That's crazy. Here's that shiny Charmander. This one doesn't have any ribbons. I wish the community of Pokemon were given ribbons. There's a shiny Lotad. There's Yamask, which I can get a Cofagrigus in this game. Ghastly. Very nice. It knows Hypnosis, Lick, and Smog. There's a Shedinja. That 1 HP. There's Darmanitan. There's that shiny Torchic. Rotom Wash. Alright, y'all, so that's it. That's how you transfer your Pokemon from Pokemon Go to Pokemon Home and into the newest games, Pokemon Sword and Shield, and also Pokemon Let's Go Eevee and Let's Go Pikachu. Also, it's important to note, this feature is only available to Pokemon Go players who are level 40. So, it will be rolled out to the lower levels very, very soon. They always roll their features out like this. They test it with the highest level players and then go down from there. The next level will probably be like level 35 and above, and then level 30 and above. They always do that kind of stuff. So if you're not level 40 yet, or you're one of those level 39 people who's this close, just hold on to your pants and hang in there. It'll come out soon. But I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on the video. And if you haven't subbed yet, consider subscribing to the channel. We're almost at 500 subs. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. But that's going to be it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. But until my next one, my Pokepop, signing out.